In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your credential enforcement settings. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then choose Credentials. Select the credential whose enforcement settings you want to adjust. I'll click this one. Then go to your new top menu bar and select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Enforcement Settings. You should arrive at a chart that looks like this. This is showing you the enforcement settings for that specific credential that you selected. The chart is broken down by location, enforcement level, and effective range check. Under enforcement level, you have two choices. Let's say that I want to change the Coffee Shop C setting. I'll click on None, then choose this arrow, and now I can change it from None to Complete Only. What these do is they affect the way your autofill works when you're filling your schedules. If you choose None, you are letting autofill know that they don't have to have this credential in order to work at a specific station. So even if they don't have this credential, they could still be scheduled. If I switch to Complete Only, now I'm telling autofill that only people who have this credential can be scheduled at this station. Your effective range check can also be adjusted. You can choose to view your range now from the current date or from scheduled dates. Let's say I want to change the catering services. I'll click on Schedule Dates, choose the arrow, and now I can change it to now or the current date. Once you are happy with your setting changes, make sure to click Save next to Enforcement Settings. And now those changes have been saved. That's how you can use your credential enforcement settings. Check out the next video to learn how to assign credentials to employees.